In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to permanently close and delete your Trading 212. So Trading 212 is this investing platform. It's huge, it's one of the biggest ones at the moment, and it's the one I personally use. But maybe you don't want to use it anymore, or you just want to delete your account for any other reason. So that's what I'm going to show you right now. To do it, you firstly will need to withdraw your money, obviously. Then go to the top right. If you are on the phone application, this icon will appear at the bottom right. Then scroll down until you see settings and go to account details. Once you're here, you can see the option to close your account. You just need to click here and you will close your account. In my case, I can't do it right now because I have money. And as you can see here, before closing your account, you will need to close any open positions, sell any shares that you have, and withdraw the remaining balance. Then after that, you will be able to close your account. You will get this screen right here, and then you just need to confirm by clicking this button. So that's it. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.